How to change or add your channel country on YouTube easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add or change your channel country on YouTube easy. So all what you have to do is go to your channel. Now this is my channel for example. Now go to customize channel option right here, click on it, and it will take you to the home page of the Creator Studio. Now right here, all what you have to do is go down and click on the settings option right here. After you click on it, now click on the channel and you will find the option of country of residence. Click on it and choose the country you want. After you finish, just click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video. Until the end, see you later.